It's the day after Hurricane Milton and I need to make dinner. So today we're going to be looking at this 2-burner propane stove. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box, you are going to have the actual 2-burner stove. You do need to remove these pieces from the bottom. They are just tied on with two little twist ties. So remove the twist ties, remove these. You're going to need to put these on before you cook with this particular stove. The piece to connect the gas is in that white bag, and then you also have some extra pieces and parts, spare knobs, spare feet, and the instruction manual. I believe this is a hot plate, and that's what I used it for. These pieces are required before you can cook on this stove. They just fit right into the pre-drilled holes. They should not move around once you have them in the holes. You can take them off to clean them, but they shouldn't twist side to side. Then we need to go ahead and hook up the propane. They do include this piece, which is really nice. It's easy. You just screw this part onto the back and then the propane, the bigger part onto the propane tank. We have some displaced guests, so I'm making 2 dishes tonight. One is mushroom barbecue chicken with some potatoes, and the other one is Italian dressing chicken with onions and carrots and potatoes. As for what's in both of these, pretty much the same base. It's chicken stock, and then I used barbecue sauce on the left with a little bit of cream, and I used Italian dressing on the right. I am going to thicken these with flour, but not until they're nice and bubbly. Say hello to the chickens. This little stove has some power. These burners put out a lot of heat very quickly, and they cook evenly. That's super important. Now that they're all hot and bubbly, I did add some flour to thicken up the sauces, and this is coming out really, really good. I used this every day we were without power, which was 5 days for breakfast and dinner. Check these out. I'm making pancakes this morning. If you're looking for a propane stove that you can use camping or in a situation like ours after a hurricane, I would not hesitate to recommend this one.